Hi, all. Thank you for attending this session in the middle of your hectic schedule. For those of you who never met me, let me introduce myself first. I'm Jongoh. I'm in charge of remote access and NUCs for TV in Samsung Electronics. I hope this session to be helpful to you to understand what is a remote access, and you can get some chance to cooperate with the remote access service. Okay, let's get started. There are 4 parts in this presentation. First, I will explain the smart screen strategy, and I will show how well remote access follow the strategy. And in addition, for your understanding, I prepared some use cases, how well remote access have been applied in spatial situation in home, office, and school. Lastly, I will give us some information how to collaborate with us and what the advantage partners can get. First, I will explain the smart screen strategy. I have a question. Please show your hands. Are you ready? How many smart devices do you have in homes, such as smartphone, laptops, PC, tablets? Please raise your hand. Just 1, 2. Oh, okay. 3? Oh, more than 5. Wow, I think you are a millionaire. I also have 6 smart devices at home. Sometimes I forget where our smart devices are. I lost many things. Anyway, according to a survey, average people have more than 3 smart devices at home. It's a huge amount over the world. I think so. On top of that, cloud service became trendy, as you know. And cloud service, I can define that does not need any kind of client application in smart devices, or just need a simple application to connect to the cloud service. For example, Google Photos, Microsoft Office 365, and VMware Horizon are all cloud services, right? In recent years, smart device users have multiple devices and use the cloud service to overcome the limits of smart device performance and easier to share the data between multiple devices you have. So I wondered what role smart TV can play here with the smart devices. Is there a way to make smart device users more comfortable through smart TV? First, how about smart TV provide the users the connection function, which can access multiple smart devices and control the application located in those smart devices from the TV with a big screen. Plus, even if users without smart devices, if a smart TV can provide cloud services to the users, it means that we can connect to smart cloud services from smart TV directly. As a result, we set the goal to offer a new service that makes smart device users more convenient when they use multiple devices without distance restriction and without HDMI cable limitations. Just only use a smart TV. So that's why we launched remote access on all Samsung Smart TV in 2019. This service is expected to be adopted in 30 million units smart TVs per year. 30 million smart TV every year. The key features of the service include the ability to connect a smart device, such as PCs and laptops, to use applications installed in those devices without installing any additional applications, and to access cloud services like Office 365, even if you don't have any kind of PC from the smart TV. You can do a variety of tasks such as calendar, documentation, Excel, and so on by using Office 365. However, unlike mobile devices, the TV has a limitation that is difficult to move. Because of this, if you don't have a smart device in your place, you're not able to use remote access. So, to provide remote access service to you anywhere and anytime, we shifted our thinking. So, in other words, as well as a smart TV, we decided to adopt this service into every Samsung smart screen products located everywhere. For example, let's see, 4K TV and 8K TV, lifestyle TV in your home, right? And signage and e-board screen in your office. Hotel TV signage in the hospitality, and LED signage in public spaces. So we set again the goal is to overcome the limitation of TV's mobility with all the Samsung smart screen and provide convenient and secure access to your smart devices and cloud services through Samsung's numerous smart screens anytime, anywhere. This is just the smart screen strategy in Samsung. So, what do you need to proceed a smart screen strategy? I define some key elements for the strategy. First, high-speed network like 5 GHz Wi-Fi, 1 Gbps Ethernet. And also, we need a large display and high resolution like 4K, 8K pixels. In order to run application and connect device that need to have a stable system on chip and software platform. Above all, the platform should be secure, right? Yeah. In addition, we needed the browser, which is compatible with the HDMI spec very well to support cloud services. Fortunately, Samsung screen products already satisfy all key elements with the Tizen platform secured by NOx and remote access dedicated browser for cloud services. And we have a stable and powerful hardware. Okay, as I said, all of Samsung's smart screens are equipped with key elements of smart screen strategy. So, in this year, we can do a project called Remote Access Everywhere that can carry out the smart screen strategy. Remote access service has expanded from smart TV to Samsung smart screen products with the new incredible features from this year. Even this service has powerful capabilities for accessing over 90% of smart devices around the world. It's important. 90% of smart devices we can connect from the Samsung smart screens. From now, let's take a look at powerful new features of remote access every year in detail. First is the remote access panel. Remote access uses the concept of panel to display the features and partner services so that user can easily access to the services. If you look at configuration, it is divided into featured functions and cloud services. Featured functions are registered as basic functions that are loaded from the time of release of product. This includes pre-installed services like remote PC and screen sharing. Additionally, there are pre-linked services like Office 365 and VMware Horizon. And the added cloud services allows users to register their desired services so they can easily access their frequently used services. You can add the link of service in the form of shortcut icons on the panel. In particular, the featured functions part is an area where additional partners' service can be loaded. So I hope you to understand the value of a remote access panel through this session. And we look forward to your service provided through this panel. Yeah. So what service can you deliver to your customers through our remote access panel? To understand this, I try to explain each of the features we already adopted on the remote access. I think this allows you come up with new ideas to collaborate with remote access. Yeah. First of all, the remote PC features is a connection function that makes you are able to connect PCs and laptop through a remote smart screen. Previously, only RDP is supported, but now VNCs are also available. It means that you can access to Mac OS-based computer and laptop from the smart TV without additional installing application. Yeah. Let's take a look at the demo. Yeah. If you want to start our remote access, you should go to the source list and then click the remote access. And then you can see the many functions on remote access panel. And first of all, you clicked remote PC. Yeah, previously, users should remember the IP address of a PC they want to connect. But now, to enhance the usability, we provide new functions to find the PC automatically with the protocol. Yeah. And you just click the one PC you want to connect, and you just input the ID and password. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. It's just some problem. It has some problem. Yeah. So if you go to remote access, and you can easily access to the remote PC without remember the IP address of a PC. and input the IP, just the ID and password. And also, we provide the new functions, remember your credential about the last connection information. It means that you don't need to log in each time to connect to PC. Yeah. Oh, what's the problem? Sorry. Yeah, so I will explain the new functions. It's an amazing function. As you know, where RDP and buoyancy doesn't have enough performance to show some video content, yeah, remotely. So we solved these issues with our incredible features. So after connecting to remote PC, you can see some kind of contents and documentation. And then you also open the higher resolution media file, which is located in remote PC by using our remote access player. And you can just play the high resolution media player, media content like 4K, 8K, yeah, by using our remote access player. Yeah, it's amazing features there. And also, we are providing function for VNC users. As you know, VNC is already basically adapted into MacBook, macOS-based PC and laptop. So you don't need to remember any kind of IP of PC. You can connect to the VNC. And then you can see some video content and some documentation from the remote MacBook or macOS-based PC, like this. And sometimes you can see some image from the VNC supported PC, yeah, like this. And next is the screen sharing. Using the Wi-Fi direct features on your smart screen, you can show the devices screens such as a laptop, smartphone, tablet, and Flip. Flip is one of Samsung's new screen. You can see the next slide. But if you want to connect to the screen sharing, the smartphone and laptop should be located at close range and control the device from the smart screen using user input back channel. Let's see that. Yeah, first of all, you need to connect it from the laptop to our TV by using Wi-Fi direct functions. You just select the name of TV. You can see the TV names from our remote access panel. And then you can select allow the mouse keyboard input. It is UIBC using input back channel function. And then you can control your laptop from the keyboard and mouse, which is connected to TV. Yeah. Yeah. Next is cloud services. As for cloud services, you can register sockets of size, you visit frequently, and then access them directly from the remote access panel. These sockets can be individually managed by each user in conjunction with a Samsung account. So you just save a bookmark, and you can see the icon of your frequently visited services added into our remote access panel, like this. And then you can directly connect to there. And to best support cloud services, we have developed a dedicated browser for remote access. which provides the security along with the capability of the cloud user convenience. So remote access pass is a function that remembers the ID and password and provide autofill login to cloud service website. This feature is authenticated by Samsung account. And you can save your ID and password of each cloud services. And then if you log out, you can reconnect to the spatial website. You don't need to input a password. Yeah. Automatically input your ID and password from our remote access pass function. And you just input the ID, and just you sign in, automatically input the password. Yeah. And you can use cloud services like this. Sometimes you worry that if you just save your password into the device, it can be encrypted by our NOS security. You don't worry about that. And also, this is an auto-exit and clean-up function is developed for security in smart screen located in public space. In case the user leave without log off site, automatically delete usage record after a certain time, like 1 hour later, and log off the connected site. Yeah, all kind of data will be deleted automatically by our auto exit cleanup functions. Okay, next is Office 365. With a smart screen, you can simply access cloud services to edit documents, check email, and manage your schedule, and even connect to cloud PC and use the same as physical PC. These services are being delivered in collaboration with key partners like MS, VMware, and so on. First, let me introduce the MS Office 365. Yeah. Office 365 includes a variety of web services such as Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Calendar, Outlook, and so on. Yeah. Let's take a video. What's the problem? Yeah, let's see that. You just go to the icon of Office 365. You can click there. You can see some OneDrive, and you can select a function of Office 365. If you open the Word file, you can see that, and you can modify it from our remote access. And next is VMware Horizon. As you know, this is a virtual desktop infrastructure service, which is allowing even those without PC, they can use the cloud server provided by their enterprise by smart screens. This feature is to enable users connect to use cloud PC through a web browser. Let's see that. You just click the icon of VMware Horizon. You can connect to cloud PC. And then you need to input the URL that is just provided from your company's administrator. And you input the ID and password and log in. You can see some panel you can access. If you select the one PC, cloud PC, the PC is initiate the application and operating system and install some kind of application into cloud PC. Yeah. So that's why it takes 10 or 20 seconds to set up. And then you can see the screen of Windows, and then you can run any applications installed in cloud PC. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, in case of that you needed to use a powerful performance of cloud server, you can use this. Like you need to make some 3D image and some rendering like that. You can use a cloud computing system like this. Next is Amazon WorkSpaces. This is similar to VMware Horizon, as you know, right? But it can support the case of individual users and enterprise users. This allows even those who don't have a PC, they can use it anytime, anywhere, through monthly payment and pay-as-you-go systems. Let's just see that. You just click the Amazon Workspace button. You need to log in. Sometimes you can use our autofill login function from our remote access browser for your convenience. And then you can see the Windows screen. Yeah, you can do anything like a physical PC. Yeah, next is Untitled Chapter, which is a cloud service that allow you create MS Office compatible documents and Hancom documents. This service is highly utilized in Asian market. So we can provide local professional services. Let's just see the demo. Create Hancom space. You can access to the website of this site, this service, and you can log in with your social networking login account. And then you can open some document, and you can select the type of document, Excel or PowerPoint and documentation like that. Yeah, you can type something and you can make some documentation like this on our smart TV. Okay. So far, we have looked at the features and partner services included with our remote access service. Which of these features can be powerful and convenient, enabling the smart screen to be fully utilized for users? However, once you understand how to use these features in real world, you will be able to create new ideas regarding how to collaborate your services with a remote access service. That's why I prepared some use case of a remote access service in practical situations such as living room, meeting room, and classroom. Yeah, it's a living room case. You can use multiple devices and cloud services through your living room screen without having to touch and control the various kinds of smart devices in your living room. For example, when I am in my parents' house with my family, suddenly I got some request from my work to check email, to check the product information with a large, big size of drawing. Yeah. So at that time, I don't have any kind of my smart device. You can use our remote access services. So you can connect to Office 365. That's provide the Outlook service. You can see your email and reply. And also, you don't need to work anymore in living room, right? You don't want. Yeah, and you just connect to your remote PC located in your home to share your memories with your families about the last family travel, yeah. And you can share the video content with your parents, yeah, like this. And let's see the story, yeah. First, you need to check the email from the Office 365 by using Outlook service. When logging into the Office 365, you can easily access by using our autofill login. And then you can see some attachment file with the big screen of your smart screen. Yeah, it can overcome the small size of smart devices. You can see the drawings in detail with our big screen. And then you can reply some answer to your colleagues by using our service. And then you want to share your memory about your family travel video clip. You can connect to your PC is located in your home. It's far from your parents' house. But you can connect there. You can play the video. Like watch the family trip video clip. Yeah, you can assume that she's my daughter. Yeah. We have been to Jeju Island last month. Yeah. And she is trying to hide her links into ground. Yeah. I don't know why she tried to hide that. Yeah, she has already hidden 4 links in the ground, she told me. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, next case is a meeting room case. Yeah. You can use our services in meeting room. At this point, you can create an interactive meeting environment through the link with Flip. Flip is one of our Samsung's smart screens. That is an interactive electronic board. Yeah. And this product can make you collaborate with the colleagues while sketching out ideas with a dual-side stylus pen. Let's see that. Yeah. First, remote access from Flip for your information. Yeah. Flip is one of the Samsung screen's key products. Yeah. On the smart screen, first of all, you need to connect from the Flip to TV to show your screen to TV from Flip. Yeah. First of all, you need to click the screen sharing icon on remote access panel to see the name of TV and run screen sharing on Flip to select the TV you want to connect. And then, yeah, you can see the same screen of Flip to the TV. And then you need to run the remote PC from the remote access in Flip to connect to your PC, which is left in your desk. Then run the presentation file to add a annotation you want to explain during the presentation. This allows you to share the contents on Flip with your smart TV, so you can make an effective meeting in a large conference room through a large screen. Okay. Next is classroom case. Remote access can work with smart screens such as TV, signage flip, and even other smart devices such as a laptop and tablet. And with partner services like Office 365, you can have more interactive classes. Let's take a look at demo. First, a teacher connects to Office 365 through TV and Flip, respectively. Yeah, you can access from TV and Flip to Office 365, and you can see the OneDrive, and you can open the file of a OneNote page. Yeah. He is a teacher and she is a student. Yeah. Students real-time record their answer on a shared OneNote page. Yeah, these are reflected in Flip, TV, and laptop in real time. And the teacher can give some feedback to students' answer along with the explanations. Yeah, so we can make interactive classes using our smart screen with partner services like Office 365. We have seen use cases for features built into remote access and how partner services can be used in real-world environments. Yeah, are you interested in using our remote access now? Yeah, it sounds good. Yeah. So I'm going to explain to you what additional service can be coming remote access panel, and what you can do if you work together. First is a service example. I'd like to suggest service example that can be suitable with a smart screen. You can provide connection service to smart devices and cloud services through remote access panel, as we have seen before. And you can also provide the software as a service for enterprise business. Therefore, ERP, HR, and documented editing system are also possible in the form of software as a service. In addition, virtual desktop infrastructure or desktop as a service with a cloud service are possible in our remote access. Plus, we believe that the video conference service will be possible in the future by connecting the camera with our remote access. Even if it's not here, if you have any business ideas regarding interactive service using screen, let's discuss after this session, okay? When you decide to provide your service through remote access panel, you worry about how to build back-end systems like payment, authentication, security, service platform, and so on. However, to avoid this concern, remote access provides service components for partners. With these components, you can forget about mess and focus on your business. Let me explain the service component one by one. Yeah, first, panel. As you know, a panel is a good way to promote your service, since it makes customers can easily access your service. And you can use a single sign-on service through Samsung accounts if you need. Next, the remote access pass support autofill login function that makes the users more comfortable when they log into cloud services. As for placement, you can place your service icon anywhere you want on our remote access panel. And also, through Samsung's payment system, the name is Checkout on TV, customers can be encouraged to pay for your service. And remote access browser can be optimized for your service in terms of user experience and functions. And all of these features are protected through the Samsung Knox security platform. Therefore, you can safely provide your service to your customers with remote access service components like this. Yeah, as for business model of your service, you can get help from Samsung Checkout. You can utilize both subscription payment and one-time payment method for your services. It means that you don't need to establish your separate payment system for your service. If you just join our remote access panel, you can use our checkout service to get the money from the customers. We have seen all kinds of services of remote access, and I explained how to join with us to make great services with remote access. So, last but not least, I hope you visit to our exhibition booth to understand our service in detail and discuss the cooperation. You can see the pictures, and you can go to the smart TV booth. You can find some flipboard. The place is our exhibition booth. You can use our all kind of services on remote access panel and remote access functions at the booth. And also we can share some ideas to collaborate to create new services together. Today. Okay, thank you. I'd like to finish my presentation now. Thank you.